So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can factory reset your iPhone. But before we go ahead, make sure to take a backup of all your data. So here's the complete guide to factory reset your iPhone. So for this, open the settings app on your iPhone. Now here, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now tap on Erase all content and settings. After this, tap on Continue. Now tap on Erase iPhone. Enter the passcode for your iPhone. After this, tap on Erase Now. Now enter the passcode for Apple ID. Tap on Turn Off. And now this will start resetting your iPhone. Now this will take some time, so wait until the process is completed. During the process, your iPhone might restart a few times. Now all the data is erased and the iPhone is like new. So this is how you can factory reset any iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.